This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Christine Parrish. Elegance in this open floor plan with an extra large kitchen and breakfast area overlooking the Nansemond River. Beautiful sunsets overlooking the water. Views of the waterfront from most every room in the house. Media room. In-law suite with a large full bath and private laundry. The kitchen is designed with a large walk-in pantry, sub-zero fridge, 2 Bosch dishwashers and a new Bosch cooktop with built-in oven and microwave. Marble floors throughout the foyer, formal living and dining room. Primary bedroom has a built-in office and fireplace with a deck overlooking the views. 3-zone Geo Thermal HVAC and tankless. Backup generator switch. The home sits on an acre of land in a cold dining area sacked with a pier, private boat lift and large decks encompassing the back of the home. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Parrish at 757-816-7000.